Okay, now we're going to talk about the effects that A has on domain and range. Um, last video we talked about the domain of the quadratics that we're working on um, is all reals because you can pick any x value you want. Remember, x is independent, so you can choose what you want for x, but y depends on x, so it's dependent. Always, the y value is dependent on x. But the range changes depending on what A is. Now in this first one here, this one has an A value. This one here, the red one, is y is equal to x squared plus 4. A is positive here. A is positive. And if you'll note, this comes down again, it hits a point and it goes back up. Now the vertex here is 0, 4. So when A is positive, the lowest point is the vertex. It's the minimum. Always. When A is positive, the vertex is the minimum, and the possible y values are only above that vertex. In this case, it all comes down to 4 and stops. So for this one, the range is going to be y is greater than or equal to 4. Now for this one over here, this equation, negative x squared plus 4x minus 2, please note that the a value is negative. It is less than 0. Okay? And the a value, the coefficient in front of the x squared is negative. Therefore, this thing literally is coming up. It hits this maximum value at the point 2 comma 2, and then it continues down. All the y values are below. So it's any y values from here down. In that case, it's y is less than or equal to 2 for the range on this one. So to sum it up, really, we can actually say for range, we're going to separate this. When A is greater than 0 or positive, then it's going to be a y is greater than or equal to um, range. And when A is less than 0 or negative, it's going to be y is less than or equal to. So that is a shortcut for seeing that A determines what the range is as far as whether it's a greater than or it's a less than.